Many surplus funds professionals operate under a costly assumption, the belief that the key to generating more revenue is simply acquiring more county lists. But finding those leads is rarely the actual bottleneck. The real barrier is processing speed. You have to extract actionable data fast enough to reach the property owner before a competitor makes the first call. Manual data extraction is strictly linear. Sitting down to read, transcribe, and verify a standard county list of 300 records takes a human operator anywhere from 3 to 8 solid hours. This graph plots hours invested against counties processed. Notice how the output line hits a hard ceiling at 2 to 3 counties per week. A solo operator's physical typing speed becomes an artificial limit on their own revenue. The traditional response to hitting this capacity wall is to hire help, usually by bringing on a virtual assistant or a dedicated extraction team. But outsourcing introduces immediate economic friction. Before accounting for training or management time, processing a single county list costs between $45 and $160 in base labor alone. Then there is the issue of volume pressure. When humans are pushed to work quickly through highly repetitive data entry tasks, transcription mistakes are inevitable. Look at this flowchart showing the downstream effects of a single mistake. A transposed parcel number creates a wasted skip trace, throwing off lead priority. As list volume scales, this error tree multiplies. Instead of growth, the solo operator becomes trapped managing administrative mistakes. Xtract addresses this problem by replacing linear human effort with algorithmic processing, compressing tasks that once took hours into seconds. Raw county surplus lists are typically downloaded as highly unstandardized, complex PDFs, with different layouts for every jurisdiction. Instead of reading line by line, the AI scans the document, instantly isolating the 9 critical data fields, such as parcel number and excess funds. Those fields map directly into a structured export. What previously required 8 hours of manual transcription happens instantaneously. By eliminating the manual transcription phase, a process that used to require a 2-person team becomes a highly efficient operation for a single person. Automating data entry also changes the relationship between high processing volume and data accuracy. Xtract maintains a 99% extraction accuracy rate across the documents it parses. These two charts contrast manual and automated error rates. On the left, human accuracy degrades as volume increases. On the right, algorithmic logic processes a 500-record list with the exact same precision as a 50-record list. This stability holds up at an enterprise scale, as the platform has successfully processed over 100,000 surplus documents. The risk normally associated with scaling up operations is neutralized. You can increase the number of counties you work with without compromising your data quality. Instantly structured data accelerates every downstream action in the surplus funds workflow. Because the records are perfectly formatted upon export, they can be routed straight into skip tracing, the process of cross-referencing databases to locate a property owner's current contact information, bypassing the need for manual review. An operator using this automated workflow can begin preparing their same-day outreach calls on the exact same timeline that a manual competitor is still typing out the first page of the PDF. In this industry, making contact with the property owner first is the decisive factor in securing the deal. Processing speed directly drives market dominance. Removing the processing ceiling changes the financial mathematics of the entire business. This scale compares input costs. A software subscription starting at $22 a month heavily outweighs the hundreds of dollars that operators previously bled into virtual assistant labor for every single list. A solo operator is now free to redirect 100% of their working hours away from data entry, applying their time exclusively to skip tracing and calling owners, the activities that actually generate revenue. Building a highly scalable surplus funds operation does not require managing a sprawling team. You simply need to replace operational friction with technological leverage.
At 99% accuracy. No manual transcribing, no falling behind. Start your free trial at exactextract.com and start extracting the exact data you need.